There it goes. Right there. Alright, so we have overdrive knob here. That is overdrive out. To the best of my knowledge, it is a low first and second, and then regardless if it's in or out, third gear is your high gear. There's no third high or otherwise, at least with this. Cigarette lighter. Headlights. Indicator works. Headlights also work. High beam switch. Insta light. Should be a map light. Fog light. Does not work. Map light. No light. Clutch. Now I don't know what that is for. Blower. Would think that is for heat. Your knob. This is fresh air vents. This would be the heat. Defrost door. It's moving, I can hear it. That's passenger air. Radio. It does buzz. But I don't hear any reception. Glove box, there is some notes, memo notes of his miles and fill-ups dating up until this year, so that's pretty awesome. Here's reverse. First, low. There's second low. Second high. Third. Second. Now I'll take it all the way to third for you. So there's third. Overdrive in. Now it feels the same to me, sounds the same as well. But it does split first and second. Let me know in the comments what you know different about these transmissions, or if it is a low-high type of drive, underdrive, I guess, if you will. We're showing 87,272, 6/10. Temp gauge works, generator gauge works, oil pressure gauge works. Fuel gauge, sending unit may be off. Manual brakes work really well. Downshift into second there. No unusual squeaks or creaks. Very smooth riding car. Shines up great. Be an awesome piece at your car show. There'd be nothing else like it, that's for sure. So, check it out at frankmanmotors.com, 1949 Packard. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to answer or help get you some photos of anything else you need. Inspections or otherwise, we're very familiar. Other than that, just like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys. Bye.